my best friend! Tree! Ah! Fuck! Protect me, tree! Woo! Okay. Oh no! Fuck! It's okay, we gotta go, we gotta go! We're gonna make it home, buddy! It's okay! Nope! We're fine! We're fine! Sayonara, suckers! I'm going. Oh shit! What? He came out of nowhere! That scared me a little bit. But hey, I didn't die. I'm good. Holy shit. Oh yeah. Alright. Hey, why do I have oil in my pocket? Can I have put like the other stuff?